Hello, everyone. I know a few of my students have requested for me to draw a unicorn, so we're gonna get started. So I always start with my sharpened pencil. I got my piece of paper. This is actually Bristol board. It's a nice sturdy piece, just in case if I wanted to watercolor. Now, the first step, again, like I do with all my drawings, is to start with basic shapes. So for my unicorn, like a horse, for the head, I will have an ovalish shape, long oval. For the body, I will go almost like a bean shape. Place 2 lines for the neck. And then tail. For the legs, I'll just go. I'm just trying to figure out what the unicorn's gonna be doing. I'll just have it galloping in a field. Okay. And for the ears, they kind of look like candy corn, right? And then for the horn, we can't forget that. It's a cone shape. For the hair, the mane, sorry. Just these nice flowing organic lines. I'll erase some of the overlapping lines later. All right, there we go. Now I'm gonna give it a little bit more detail before I ink it. Eyes. I do this semicircle half oval shape. For my cartoons, I always like drawing even more ovals inside the eye to indicate where the character's looking. I fill this part for the pupil. For the nose, 2 little circles or ovals. Curves on top. Make that more pronounced. Trying to figure out, all right, where the horn is in comparison to the hair. Give the unicorn a chin. Oh, that's looking good for the head, right? We wouldn't see this line, so I'll erase that. All right. I think I'm happy with this drawing. It was nice and quick. All right, I'm going to get my pens out and start inking it, so enjoy this time lapse. Now that I've finished drawing in pencil and inking with my pens, it's time to color. So, I got my big bag of markers. Whenever I choose colors, I take a few, just kind of hold it up to see which ones would go well together. I like this light blue and this kind of darkish pink. I'll use that for the body. For the grass and flowers, I will use colored pencils. And I already selected those from my container of colored pencils here. Here's my completed unicorn in a field. Last thing I need to do is sign it in the corner. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this little lesson. If you have any requests, please send them to me. You know how to do that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Take care.